Yeah. This one goes out to my nigga Mike Cooley. Hell yeah. Born, thuggin', heartless and mean. Working at 16 on the scene, watching fiends.